Okay, I'm gonna do this from where I left off. Wait. Now my head's in that direction. Jesus Christ. Ah, might as well wear a baseball cap next time. Okay, so just best guess game. Nope. Okay, well, one of the things I noticed when I came in here is that the decorations are like 10 million times better than they used to be. And so when you would first get a account on here, the only decorations they give you would be like a table and like a rug, like a circular rug, and it sucked. So, like you have a couch and a lamp that turns on, I must add, a chair and a little. God, this is too nice. Oh my God! Screw you. There's even. Go away. There's even. Yeah. That's what I'm doing, honey. Oh my God, shut. Wait a second. So I'm trying to make this look nice. Ooh. I'm gonna put that button. Yes. Yes. Well, that's not as aesthetically pleasing. Wait. Yes. Yes. I like it. Wait, no. Wait. Why is it? Oh, screw it. Who cares? No, I care. I'm so specific into details. Oh my God. Okay. Now there's that. And a lamp. Is it gonna work? Wait, no, that's a freakishly big plant. Oh my God, why is it so big? I'm slightly pleased with my decorations. Let's see what's in the store. Because I was playing a lot of games in my head. Shut up. Wow, they're so great. God, if this doesn't look nice. Thank you. Please. Let it look nice. It looks relatively okay. Why? Why is there a bumblebee bag chair? Oh, that's too nice. That is too nice. Oh my God. What the heck is that? Mechanical. Ottoman. Is it just like a nut in a bolt? So confused by this merchandise. Oh my God. Screw me. Croquet. Why can't they just have like a filter on here for like member and non-member items? Oh my God. An Egyptian cat. There's a lot of Egyptian stuff on here. I remember last time I was in here, they had Egyptian stuff, and that was a very, very long time ago. It's a nice pillow. Why is it trout for members only? Jesus. And a bird's nest. What is so membery about that? Okay. I feel like a must-have. Mailbox? Last day, what is it? Some kind of... Well, now my bloody cursor is stuck. Oh my God. just want the pink flamingo. Give me a flamingo. God, this stuff is so old. I remember when it was on. Oh my god, why can't my cursor move? This sucks. Be like that for the entire video, because I can't do anything. And then I wouldn't even be able to stop the video. Oh my god, no, go back. Oh my god. What's that Minecraft furniture? Go back. Don't tell me. Where was it? Pixelated. Yeah, that's Minecraft. Okay. We need a pink flamingo for our lawn. The house won't be complete without the pink flamingo. Give us a pink flamingo. Yes, yes. I'm gonna name him Alfred. Alfred the pink flamingo. Come here, Alfred. He's so tiny and precious. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. He's so pure. Look at him. Look at him. Okay. And then we need like a nice lawn. See, that is too much. But are we extra enough? Yes. Oh my god. We are extra. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so worth that money. Look at our place. Look at her ice. Shh. I want to get a tree. I want to get us a tree. We need a tree. Where's the tree? Is that like a patch stitch? I'm gonna have to keep that in mind. Where's the tree? I saw the tree. I'm blind. I probably went past it so many times. Where is it? I'm so stupid. Where is it? Oh, I hate myself. How did I saw it before, but now I don't. Why is there storefront displays? Some of the dumbest items are only for members. Like, they're so simple. Why are they like sifting screen? Jesus. Who needs a sifting screen? Oh my god. My god, do I feel stupid. Okay, well. Wait a second. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Go away, you dumb rabbit. See, right there. Now, move myself up there. Move myself back down. Let's go here. Look at how nice that house looks. My god. This bunny is so lucky. I'd live in that. Oh my god. Trade me, pet, please. Trade me. BFF tip. What? Who has a portal gem? Fashion show my den when loads of things. Me. Wait, whoops. I just came here to shop. No social interactions needed. Please, get me out of here. Please, where am I? I don't even see me. I'm so tiny. Where am I? Where is my bunny? Run, bunny! Run! Come on! Go in the store! Go into the store! You're doing the opposite. I don't want trays. I want... Jai. LOL. LOL. XD. Please trade me a lot of clover patches. Bunny! Why are you just sitting there? Go into the store. Someone wanna turn up? Trade me fair. Trade me fair. Go into the freaking store. Wow, this rabbit sucks. Am I in the store now? Oh my god. I love how I'm all alone and I don't need to deal with people's crap right now. Love that pleasant music. Wait, what is that? A swanky jacket. We have to get him a jacket. Okay, I'll be Annika Zach's buddy. Okay, buddy added. Yeah. Well, I like red, so let's buy that. Got him a swanky jacket. A squid hat? Excuse me? Is he gonna have a little squid buddy on his head? Well, we have to get him that, of course. Wait, a chicken beak. I don't know how to feel about that. I honestly don't. Why is it? Oh, that looks so bad. That doesn't look right. No, that's Doc Man, like Doc Brown. Got Doc Brown hair. Not dark brown, Doc. Doc! What's Jesus? Wait. Now here we have the hairspray hairstyle. Okay, so we wanted to get him a squid hat. I'm sure this is probably boring, but like, look at the neat items. Now this goes with the big hair, honey. Yes. Now, we need to get him some little shoes to keep his precious little bunny feet warm. Yes. Okay. Now, see, back in my day, they wouldn't let you color change the item unless if you were a member. So this is new. Now we gotta get him a little squid buddy, because squids are precious. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, it's a little squid. No, I don't think we need to get one that matches his outfit, but just one that just is the color it is, because it can be. I like the orange one. Okay. Yes. Yes! Oh, he's got a little skinny bunny. Okay. Yo!